10 pieces. TV, 还有在地上 everything is then the color and the design is modern. This is for restaurant. Restaurant and the cafe use this type of chair. It's an exhibition fair in Kuala Lumpur. The international